Namaste, I'm Parvati. My daughter studies here in ELC school and I'm the Parent Association member. So the most frequent question asked by the kindergarten parents are, I want to see the live CCTV footage recording of my child, what is he or she doing the whole day in the class. Let's see on how we can answer this. I'm sure this question comes with a lot of love of wanting to see what my child is doing, not with doubt of what is happening around him. So let's understand the school's perspective. Now CCTV camera has been installed in every of the classroom and especially in the kindergarten children so that they can see what is happening and how the teaching methods are being followed, and first and foremost for the safety of the children studying there. It helps the management to ensure the classroom safety and the transaction of the routine and other requirements. But giving a live access to a parent, it is a little different decision. Because if you see, the children are not performing on the stage, but they are freely learning things. They might be crying at times, they might be running around in the class, and we should let the children be free and the teachers also to be free. Once the camera is on and the access is being given to the parents, then the teachers feel little conscious. Even I can understand, if I'm always watched, then my work performance is not going to be normal. I'll be feeling that somebody is watching me all the time and I might be not my normal self. And the same anxiety which is running inside me will be passed to the kids as well. As kids are very tender and nature friendly and natural, they will absorb the energy what I am going to be showing. So that way the whole performance is not going to be the way it is required to be happening. Slowly, the calm and composed classroom turns to be a monitored space, not a safe space according to the child's requirement. We have seen the constant live viewing increases the parent anxiety, not the reassurance of them that the child is safe. Every small cry, tantrum, and maybe some issues what the kids have, when the parents watch it on the screen, might look very alarming, but it can be settled by a teacher within a minutes of 2 or 1. There is also a very simple privacy and dignity aspect on this point of view of mine. These are very small children who deserve a space to grow, not a space to be watched all time. Instead of live access, we focus on strong teaching supervision, clear safety process, transparent communication with the parents, and regular update to the parents on what is being done in the class so that they are aware of the things that is happening in the class. The school always welcomes parents. They can come to the school, understand how the curriculum is happening, what the children are doing, and the teachers are also ready to update them with day-to-day whatever things are happening. The trust is built through a process, not continuous surveillance. Not that our school has any problem with transparency. We're extremely transparent and parents are welcomed for any discussion. We believe that the child feels safe in the environment only when the adult trusts the environment where they are being sent to. So as parents, we should trust the place where the kids are going and the child is going to grow and blossom into a beautiful tree.